So hey guys, this afternoon we are here in our playground, but we already removed the facilities in playground because it was eaten by rats already and damage and cause accident to the children. So we decided to remove and use the area for sports or for any sport. So we are cleaning now. So we are looking for sponsorship, whoever wants to donate for us for the sports, any facilities for sports, chess, volleyball, badminton, or any kind of facilities, sports facilities that you want, sports equipment that you want to donate for us. So we are the volunteers cleaning the area, and we are hoping that this area will be useful for our youth so that they are not addicted to gadgets, only using gadgets for the whole day when they are vacation. So we are thinking of how we can help our community, our children, our youth, our future. So this Sino?
Pinagayot pala ka.
O, ayan ang mga naggagandahan, oh. Sino yung anak ng kontraktor? Ay, asawa ng kontraktor. Oh, di ba lumingon? Hinanap din pala.
Dapat may ganun tayo. Oh, ano ba yan? Yung ano yan, magano ka dyan? Tawit. Ay, wala ka bang may ganun yung pinagagano. Tawit niya. Wala.
So, babay na guys. Pakisabi na.
Sinagot ko na ng live yung mga tanong. Wala nang para malaman din nila. Kasi bang bakit kayo nakakatahay na? Wala kami sahod dito. Wala ba yung pagkanya? Wala kang ginagawa. Managot mo yung salitang tanga-tanga. Dati naman, talaga kanya-kanya lahat ng nagkataon lang, nakala namin yung payment dahil ano, para ma-prevent ang mga